In Unit 3, we've been talking about force and motion, and today we're going to look at Newton's 3 laws of motion. The first law is called the law of inertia. Inertia is one of our vocabulary words for this unit, and what it means is that if an object is moving, it will continue to move. If an object is at rest, it will stay at rest. So the motion of an object will change only if unbalanced forces act upon it. For example, if you take a look at that soccer ball, it is at rest and it's going to stay at rest unless an unbalanced force acts upon it. So if somebody comes along and kicks it, that is an unbalanced force. So now the soccer ball would be in motion. Newton's second law is called the law of force and acceleration. And what it tells us is that acceleration depends on force and mass. So we have a formula, F equals ma, and this formula will be on your formula chart. And we'll take a look at this more closely in our next lesson. But for now, what it means is the larger the net force, the faster the acceleration of an object. So if you're pushing somebody on a swing, if you push them with more force, they're going to accelerate more. Also, the larger the mass, the greater the force needed to accelerate the object. Again, for example, if there's 2 people on a swing, the one that has more mass would require more force to accelerate. So one way to think about it, if there was me and Coach G on the swing, obviously it's going to require more force to push Coach G. The third law is called the law of action-reaction, and what that means is for every action force, there is an equal and opposite reaction force. So if one object exerts a force on another, the second object exerts an equal force, but it's in the opposite direction. For example, if we take a look at this rocket, the action is the fuel pushing down, then the reaction is the rocket goes up. So again, these are Newton's 3 laws. They were named after Sir Isaac Newton, who created them to describe all states of motion, and examples of all of these can be found in your everyday lives.